Okay everyone, so let's meet in our tabletop today. So meet me on all fours and we'll take a few cat-cows. So as we inhale, we drop the belly, point the tailbone up and look forwards. As we exhale, tuck the chin to the chest and round the spine. Inhaling as we roll forwards, drop the belly, open the shoulders. Exhale the chin to the chest, rounding your back. Just continuing to move in time with the breath here. Every inhale forwards, every exhale under. And just really starting to bring as much movement into the spine as we can. Just linking up movement with breath. Good, take one more full round of breath here. And then eventually come back to center as we take the toes together and the knees nice and wide. And this time just start to send the entire body into some full big circles. So the body come forward over the wrist and then we send the bum back towards the heels, just drawing these circles on your mat. Good, and then at some point switch the direction, take a few big circles the other way, welcoming this stretch into the wrists, the shoulders, the hips. Good, and then send the bum back towards the heels as we walk the hands back towards our knees. Sit with a nice long spine here, toes together, the knees are wide. Just roll the shoulders back and down, keep a nice open chest. And on your inhale, sweep both hands all the way up towards the sky, bring the palms together at the top. Stop right here and get super long through the arms and through both sides of your body. Take a big inhale and then exhale to drop the right fingertips to the floor and reach the left arm up and over. Taking a big breath into the left hand side of your body. And then come all the way up through center. Palms of the hands touch together at the top. We take an inhale and then exhale, drop the left fingertips to the floor as we reach the right arm all the way over. Breathing into the right hand side of your body this time. And then release back together. Palms touch at the top. We take the gaze up towards the sky. Give me one more big breath in. And then exhale, bring the hands down through heart center. Take the palms of the hands to the floor and walk them forwards. We're going to meet in our downward facing dog. So let's tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Let's start to pedal out through the feet here. So we're bending each knee at a time. Breathing all the way down into the belly, keeping those arms nice and strong. Welcoming the stretch in through the hamstrings, in through the hips. Good, and then eventually come back into stillness. Your knees can be bent or straight here, whatever feels better for you. But can we lift the hips just a little bit higher and then send them back a little bit further? Good, take a nice slow breath in and a full breath out. And then bend the knees, send the gaze towards the hands and make your way to the top of your mat where we'll meet in a forward fold. So take hold of opposite elbows, feet are hip distance and just find a little sway side to side. Let the head and the shoulders hang heavy. Let your entire spine begin to decompress here. Good, and then eventually come back into center. We can release the elbows and slowly roll yourself all the way up, coming nice and slowly into standing at the top of our mats. And when we get here, we can give a few big rolls through the shoulders. Take a nice deep breath. And then eventually come back into stillness. From here, let's take a big breath in as we reach the hands up towards the sky, look up. As we exhale, we bend the knees, come all the way down through your forward fold. Take a deep inhale to find your halfway lift. So straighten the legs and let the hands come wherever they need to be. And then on your next exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands, and step both feet back into your plank. We can take a full plank with the knees lifted or a half plank with your knees on the floor. But the arms are strong and the core is engaged here. We take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, slowly lower all the way down to your belly. Untuck the toes at the bottom and take a deep breath in as we roll the shoulders back, start to press into the hands, lift the chest, send the gaze forwards, finding your cobra. Find the strength in the upper body here, keep squeezing the shoulder blades together at the back. Deep breath in. And then exhale, slowly lower the chest back to the mat. From here, press into the hands, roll back into your child's pose. The bum comes back towards the heels, the forehead comes to the earth. And just take a full breath here, all the way in and all the way out. Good, roll the spine forwards and come into your tabletop on the hands and the knees. Good, from here we're going to lift the right leg out and away. And if we feel balanced, the left fingertips reach out and away. We want to keep the spine long here. Keep the core engaged. Take a big breath in and a full breath out. Nice, drop the left hand back to the floor and step the right foot forwards in between your hands to find your low lunge. We want to keep a bend through the front knee, and as we inhale, we take the fingers up to the sky, we open up the chest, we roll the shoulders back. Finding your high lunge, taking a few deep breaths here. Keeping that front knee right on top of the front ankle. Nice deep breaths here, welcoming that stretch in through the left hip. Let's take one final breath in our low lunge. And then whenever you're ready, let's see if we can tuck the back toes under, lift the back knee and lift into your high lunge. The back leg is straight, we're on the tippy toes. Take one more big inhale and a full exhale. And then when you're ready, ground down through the right foot, drop the hands to heart center, and then step forwards, bring the left knee up towards your chest, finding this balance. Take a few circles through the left ankle one way, and then take a few circles the other way. Good, and then come back to center. We're going to take the left foot out towards the outside of our right foot. So the leg is crossed over the front. We take a nice big breath in as we send the gaze up and open the chest. Finding this little mini back bend here. Take an inhale. And then as we exhale, we're going to fold forwards over the legs. And the hands can stay at heart center, or we can drop the hands towards the floor. Breathing into the hamstrings here, releasing the body down over the legs. Good, and then whenever you're ready, slowly bring yourself all the way up through center. The hands come back to the heart, and then lift the left knee up towards the chest. Good, from here we're going to step back into that high lunge. So step the left foot to the back of your mat, lift the fingertips up, find your high lunge. Take a deep breath in, reach the fingertips up, and as we exhale, dive the hands forwards, framing the front foot. Step the right foot back into your plank. Keep the gaze down in between the hands here. We can keep a full plank or we can drop the knees. The core is engaged as we take a deep breath in, and then exhale, slowly lower all the way down onto the belly. Untuck the toes at the bottom, press into the hands and roll the shoulders back as we lift and look forwards. Find your variation of your cobra. Take a few slow breaths here, keep those elbows hugging in. Shoulder blades are squeezing together at the back. Take a full inhale. And then exhale, lower the chest all the way back to the mat. We want to press into the hands and shift the hips back to your child's pose. Stretching the arms forwards, taking the forehead towards the earth just for a moment. Taking 1 or 2 slow breaths here. And then whenever you're ready, rolling yourself forwards and meeting back in our tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, and engage your core. So pull the tummy button back towards your spine as we lift the left leg out and away. Take a breath here. And if we feel that stability, we might reach the right fingers forwards. Keep the core engaged, keep breathing. Take a big inhale and a full exhale. Good, and then we drop the front hand back to the floor and then step the left foot forwards in between your hands. As we roll the shoulders back, we lift the upper body, reach the fingertips high, low lunge. Meet me right here and take a few big breaths. Keeping the fingertips reaching up, keeping the chest open, and breathing into the very front of your right hip. Good, slow breaths here, all the way in and all the way out. Good, and then whenever we're ready, we're going to tuck the back toes under and then lift yourself all the way up into your high lunge. Holding it here, keeping the fingertips reaching up and away. Take a big inhale. And then as we exhale, drop the hands down to your heart. We're going to see if we can step forwards into that balance. So go ahead and step yourself forwards, bring the right knee in towards the chest. Find that balance and that stability right here. Maybe take a few circles through the right ankle one way. And then a few little circles the other way. Good, and then eventually come back to stillness. And we're going to step the right foot to the outside of the left foot. Standing nice and tall, we find that little mini back bend by shining our heart up to the sky. Maybe send the gaze up. Full breath in. And as we exhale, start to fold forwards from your hips. Your hands can stay at heart center, or we can drop fingertips to the floor. Just releasing into this forward fold, breathing into the hamstrings on the left leg. And then whenever you're ready to release the hands, come back to your heart space as we lift ourselves back into center. Good. From here, bring the right knee into the chest, take an inhale, and then exhale, step that foot all the way to the back. Meet me in your high lunge. The fingertips reach up. We take a breath in. And as we exhale, diving forwards, framing the front foot and stepping back into your plank. Deep breath in. Exhale to lower all the way down to the belly. Untuck the toes and inhale into your cobra. Lift the chest, look forwards. Just holding it here, slowing down that breath. And then on your exhale, slowly release your chest back to the floor. Press into the hands and lift the hips back into your child's pose. The toes can come together, the knees can come apart, and we take the forehead down. And I invite you to find a few slow, deep breaths here. Just checking in with how you're feeling in this moment. Giving yourself the permission to breathe in fresh, new energy today. And give yourself the permission to leave behind anything that you no longer need. Any heaviness or stress. Any worries or fears, any physical pain or tension within your body, just give yourself the permission to let go. As we take our last few breaths here, and then whenever we are ready, we can start to walk those hands back towards the knees and we can lift ourselves up into a comfortable seated position on our mats. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you liked this quick little flow. If you did, please give it a like or let me know in the comments. And if you would like to see more from me, please subscribe. But whatever you're doing, have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.